everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It is time for Sample Stash Monday. If you're new to my channel, what I do is I pull samples, use them for the week. At the end of the week, I review the samples and pull new samples. So let's get started. First was my fragrance, and I pulled Mon Guerlain. I have the full size of this. I love Mon Guerlain. It is a favorite, probably my absolute favorite. So yeah, that was no problem to use. Next, let's go with makeup. I had the Tartest lip paint. They are actually on my makeup desk right now. I used Goals and Bounce. Goals was, I guess, a true nude for me. It just matched my natural lip color, and I don't feel it really looked good on me. But Bounce, I liked Bounce. Bounce was a little deeper, a little more darker purple mauve kind of, and I do real well with those colors. So that was nice. And Exposed, I haven't even tried, but I have them laying on my desk. I'll use them up. So that is that. The other thing I had in makeup, I have never used before. I had never even heard of it. I don't know how that happened. The Tarte Stay Spray. This is nice. I like the scent, and it works great. I did not set my makeup today, but I will now. The scent of it is very familiar, and it's taken me back to my teenage years. So guys, those of you who've tried it, what does it remind you of? It reminds me of my teenage years for some reason. So anyway, that's it. I enjoyed that. I got more of that. I'm not going to throw that away. Next, skincare. I had the SkinCeuticals Gentle Cleansing Cream. It's nice. It's a cleanser. I did use the cleanser to remove my eye makeup. If it got in my eye, it didn't bother me. I had no burning or stinging or anything like that. So it's a nice cleanser. I'm personally not going to purchase it, but yeah, it's nice. And then I left this in the box. I don't know why. I got this mask from Cora, and it's actually a little mask like this, and it's got scrubbies in it. It's brown scrubbies. You can see where I actually like this. It looks like bird poop. I hate to say that, but it does. But let me just grab a napkin right here. But I really like this mask. I actually enjoyed using this mask. I only used it once, but I liked it. It had like a menthol kind of cooling feeling to it, and kind of smell. Turmeric brightening and exfoliating mask. I don't know how much this costs, but this is something I might invest in down the road. I don't need to right now. I'm thinking, do I need this box? No, that's the crafter in me. No, I don't need that box. But I'm going to keep the rest of that. And then last, hair. This is a company called Vor. Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. This is really thick. Okay. It is real thick. Yeah, it has a very, I smell my perfume, but it has a nice pleasant scent to it. It wasn't anything spectacular. It wasn't as good as that Kerastase last week. And if I am going to be judging everything next to the Kerastase, but it's better than other conditioners I have used. So I like that. I hadn't heard of this company before. It's not bad. It's not bad. I have a lot left. And so, yeah. So let's pull some new samples. Marc Jacobs Mod Noir. I've never tried that or heard of it. I have fragrance on, so I'm not going to spray it right now. Mod Noir. Noir is, you know, sultry night. Mod Noir. Interesting. I like the name. Next, we have makeup. Dig. I got a jar. Oh, good. I got some powder. I'm about out of powder. This is, well, it was KVD. It gets KVD, not Kat Von D anymore. KVD Locket Setting Powder. There we go. Good. Let me see if I can find a card. What is this? Alright, let me put this down. Super Serum Skin Tint. Broad Spectrum SPF of 40. Oh. Okay. Ilia? Your SPF will never be the same. Okay. Super Plumping, Super Hydrating, Super Natural SPF. Don't you just love some of these like taglines these businesses have come up with? It quenches skin with active levels of plumping hyaluronic acid, hydrating squalene, and skin repairing niacinamide. All right. So, I'll try that out. Next, I have got skincare. And this apparently wants to be chosen, so it's a Garnier Micellar Water. So we'll just put it in there. It flew right in. That was funny. Okay, here's a packet. Alchemist Ultima Anti-Aging Cream. Okay. Alright. We'll do both of those. And then last I have hair or body. What are you? What is this? What are you? What are you? Take a Shot. Man-made shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. $18.21. Have you guys heard of this? It's sulfate and paraben free. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash? I know there's products out there like that. I don't know. Well, that's interesting. So I've got this. I have no idea where this came from. Got that. The Alchemist cream. I'm going to pull that card off. Micellar Water. KVD powder. This Ilia Serum Skin Foundation Tint, whatever. And Marc Jacobs Mod Noir. So, pretty good week. Pretty interesting. This is intriguing. I'll have to decide how I want to use that. I'm not sure. If it's sulfate free, I think I'll do it on my hair. Well, I'll be in the shower. I'll just use it all over. We'll see what happens. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.